Hello everyone. So we had a mini lesson on, Monday and Tuesday going over multi-digit addition. So adding numbers that have more than one number in them, right? We talked about doing them with mental math, with strategies like breaking apart tens and ones. We talked about if it's a number like 49, taking one from that second number, borrowing it, and then adding them up, right? Making 49 into 50. And then we also reviewed for some of you and learned for some of you the standard algorithm. And that was where we stack them and then we regroup, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that practice today in our Eureka Succeed books together. On page 147 is the work you'll be doing today. Make that closer so you can see it. I know it's hard on your Chromebook sometimes. Page 147. And then remember, the homework helper is always before that. So on page 145, that's 145, you'll see lesson 15 homework helper. And it goes through those ways that we just kind of talked before. Here's 69. They made it close to 70 by taking 1 from the 7, and then 70 plus 6 equals 76. Okay? They also show standard algorithm. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 15 has 2 digits. The 5 is in the ones place. The 1 goes over to the tens place. All right, so let's take a look at page 147 together. Pause the video if you're not here and get here. Number 1 says find the sums, that means total, below. Choose mental math or the algorithm. So you can choose to do these however you'd like. If it's easier for you to do tens and ones or making friendly numbers, do that. If it's easier for you to use standard algorithm, do that. The first one is 75 plus 7. 75. How close am I to 80? 5. Yeah, I need 5 more. So 7 could become 5 and 2. If I use the 5, we get 75 plus 5. We get to 80. We use the 5. We still have the 2. 80 plus 2 equals 82. Oh man, I wrote that small. That's one way you could have done it. Let's look at it the standard way as well. Stack them up. 75. Oh, 7. It's only one digit. The 7 needs to go in the ones place, directly under the 5. Put your addition sign in. Now we'll add them up. 5 plus 7. Count them up if you need to. What is 5 plus 7? 12. All right, 12 looks like this. And if we draw our line down, the 2 is in the ones place, so the 2 needs to go here. The 1 is in the tens place. It either can go on top of the 7 or right here. 7 plus 1 equals 8. We got 82 both ways. Great job. All right, I'm also going to do C with you because that adds a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. All right. Do you have a way of breaking this up? Maybe you're looking at this like there is 360 and 2 and 220 and 9. Maybe you're doing it that way, and that's okay. We're going to try standard algorithm together. My bigger number, 362, is first. 229. They both have the same number of digits. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1, tens, hundreds. So we can simply stack them up. Remember, we talked about making sure our numbers are lined up on this right side over here. Our numbers are lined up on the right side. And then they're stacked really nicely in those ones, tens, and hundreds columns. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. 1 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, right? Because 11 takes up 2 spaces. So it has to go up top. It's not part of the answer yet. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 8, 9. Good. Nothing to carry over there. 3 plus 2 is 5. Great job. All right, I'm going to do B with you as well, and then you will do D, E, and F on your own. Remember to pause anytime. 39 plus 56. We're going to try a different way. 39 breaks up to 30 and 9. 56 breaks up to 50 and 6, right? 39, 56. What's 30 plus 50? Wait, we're doing our tens first. Let's do our ones first. You got it. Great job. 9 plus 6. What is that? 9 and 6 make 15. And 30 and 50 make what? 80. Now we have to put those two together. We could stack these up, right? 15 and 80. I'm running out of room. 80 plus 15. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 95. Great. You could also use standard algorithm on that one. Go ahead and finish D, E, and F. Please finish those. Pause the video. All right, welcome back. I know you did well. Let's look at number 2 together. The liquid volume of 5 drinks is shown below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is it measured in? What does ml stand for? Oh, I hope you said milliliters. All right. Jen drinks the apple juice and the water. How many milliliters does she drink in all? What is it asking us? Jen drinks the apple juice and the water. How many milliliters does she drink in all? We have 2. We have the word and. In all. All of that means addition. So we have to add these two things together. Where's the apple juice? Yep, 125. Where's the water? Yep, 248. Are they stacked up? Can you use standard algorithm? Go ahead. How many milliliters does Jen drink in all? Good. Part B. Pause the video if you need to finish that problem. Kevin drinks the milk and the fruit punch. How many milliliters does he drink in all? Same problem. What are we going to do? Are we going to add or subtract? We're going to add. So what is our equation here? Milk, 236. Fruit punch, 208. Stack them up. What are we doing? We're adding. Our equation is 236 plus 208. Let's do this one together just to make sure you have it. 6 plus 8. 14, great. 14 has 2 digits. The 4 is in the ones place. The 1 is in the tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus nothing is still 4. Oh my goodness, and 2 plus 2 is, you guessed it, 4. Label your answer, please. Hey, great job. All right, this video is a little longer than normal. We have one more problem to do together, and then 4 and 5 will be bonus problems. There are 75 students in grade 3. There are 44 more students in grade 4 than in grade 3. Well, we're comparing. How many students are in grade 4? Which class has more students? 75 in grade 3, 44 more in grade 4 than grade 3. So grade 4 has more. How many more? 44 more. Let's draw that out in a tape diagram first. Third grade has 75 students. Fourth grade has 44 more than third grade. So they have these 75 and then another 44. So we need to, you guessed it, add these two together. If you want to use a form of mental math, you can. I'm going to use standard algorithm. 75 plus 44. Ah, this one's different. I'm happy it is. 5 plus 4 is just 9. There's no number to carry, right? 9. 9 is only a single digit number. It goes in the ones place. Now look, 7 plus 4, 11. That's a 2-digit number, but I don't have anything else to do here. So I can put it right there, just like that. 119 students are in 4th grade. Great job, you guys. You're going to go ahead and work on number 4 and 5 as bonus problems. Mr. Green's sunflowers grew 29 centimeters in 1 week. The next week, it grew 5 centimeters more than the previous week. What is the total number of centimeters the sunflower grew in those 2 weeks? How many did it grow in those 2 weeks? Kylie records the weight of 3 objects as shown below. Which 2 objects can she put on a pan balance to equal the weight of a 460 gram bag? Show your work. Ooh, so she's going to balance, and she wants this side to equal this side of 460. So what 2 numbers are you going to put over here to equal 460? There you can see my picture. All right, you got this, rock stars. Go ahead.